What if your kids could explore AI without needing a lab or coding skills? Let me show you 3 simple ways to make AI fun and safe for young minds. Hey families! I'm Sparky from SparkNest AI, where we turn smart tech into fun, learning adventures. Today, we're unlocking the magic of AI for kids. Let's start with drawing. AutoDraw is an AI tool that guesses what your kids are trying to sketch and turns it into beautiful pictures. It's like having a magical art helper. Next is ChatGPT. With help from an adult, kids can ask questions, write stories, or invent silly games. It's like having an always-ready storyteller or homework helper. And for our music makers, try Songmaker. Kids drag notes into a grid and let AI turn it into a song. It's creativity plus computer smarts. See? AI isn't just for grown-ups. It's for curious young minds, too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart fun with SparkNest AI.